Hey guys, welcome back. Now that you've learned how to open Microsoft Word and then how to save a file and then how to close it, now we're going to learn how to open that file up again, okay? Because you're going to have heaps of files, hundreds, thousands, I don't know about millions, but a lot, right? Thousands easily. So the way to open your file, okay, is to go File, top left corner, and you're going to see the word Open, right? Third from the top, and you want to click that, and it's going to open up the open file window. All we want to do is search for the file that we saved on the desktop. So the way to do that is desktop, and we're going to go Microsoft Word Training. You click on that once, and you press open. Now, if your file doesn't turn up here, it could be because this button over here, right, hasn't been selected for all Word documents. If that's the case and you don't know which one, just click all files. All right, and that's just going to show all the files, doesn't matter which format. All right, and you can just search for your file. So we got Microsoft Word Training there. We press open, and that's going to open up our file. And that's how you open up a Microsoft Word file. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you soon.